Stop fighting! On the ground!
Just after 1 a.m. on June 15, 2026, Rochester police officers responded to a report of two men fighting near Warwick Avenue in Rochester, New York.
Okay. Where's the gun?
Where's the gun?
The gun is right there on the floor. The gun is right there on the floor.
Whose dog is this?
The gun is right there on the floor. Pass it.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting!
Show me your hands. Homie, get your dog. Get on the ground now. Get your dog. Homie,
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground. Don't shoot. I'm not a part. Don't shoot my dog. I'm not a part. Don't shoot my dog. We're not fighting. We're not fighting.
Watch cross!
Bro, we're not a part of it. We came out to help. We came out to help. Dude, get back. Bro, we came out to help. You almost shot me, bro.
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun?
Hey, no gun.
Whose dog is that?
Ain't no gun. Ain't no gun. I'm trying to fight. We came out to help. Get on the ground. I run on the ground. I'm not witnessing. Y'all didn't see me.
Where's the gun?
Y'all didn't see me come on my house.
Yes.
The dog tried to bite me.
Where's the gun?
We was trying to get him in the
Do we have that shotgun secured at this point or not? We're securing it at the moment.
Bro, we're not a...
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Don't shoot my dog!
Where's the gun? Who has the gun?
Fired at a dog.
Shh. Put your hands up! Stop! I don't know, maybe. Get control of your dog and yourself. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now!
413.
You! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Are you dumb? Get on the ground. You're both being detained. Get on the ground. We'll work it out. Get on the ground.
That's police involved. Yes. 10-4, do we have that shotgun secured at this point or not?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Securing it at the moment. Pepper spray deployed.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, received any injuries?
Help me!
We will. Someone cuff him.
Help me!
Which one do you need? Him. Cuff him.
I'm with you. 10-4, 3 people detained at the moment.
Please, no!
23, I have a shotgun on the ground here.
Alright. Help me! Help me!
113, aside from OC exposure, any other injuries?
Almost.
243. I have a male with lacerations on his hand, not from us. If we have a rig, they can stage for right now.
The altercation was later determined to be between family members. According to the preliminary investigation, the resident awoke to the sound of someone damaging his vehicle in the driveway and went outside carrying an unloaded shotgun. Police say the suspect allegedly pointed a knife at him, leading to a physical struggle. During the fight, the suspect's mask came off, and the resident realized it was his cousin, 34-year-old David Singletary. Singletary was treated for a dog bite and charged with third-degree criminal mischief and second-degree menacing. Bail was set at $3,000. The resident was treated for pepper spray exposure, while 2 witnesses were treated for dog bite injuries. The dog was not struck during the incident and later returned home on its own. Approximately 1 hour later, one of the witnesses was hospitalized after doctors removed a small metallic object from his leg that investigators believe may have been a bullet fragment. Police say an internal investigation is underway to determine whether it originated from an officer's weapon. The incident remains under investigation by the Rochester Police Department's Major Crimes Unit and Professional Standards Section.